Hello YouTube trash divers, here I am again. As you see, this is my Denon DVD player what I found in trash. Now I decided to open it and to check out what's wrong with it. And I checked the capacitors, they're not broke. So, and I wanted to try another thing, why it didn't boot on. But I do noticed, you see that spot there? The two claws, this belongs in it. A fuse. It was not in it. The fuse was out of it. So I put another fuse in it with the same specs of amps. Now, test it out if it works, eh? Let's see. Let's see if I get some life out of this cutie. Out of a trash fine DVD player. Now, there we go. Yes, it works. It goes on. I see goddamn life. Oh. This is fucking awesome. Let's try to play back a normal audio CD. I always do that because audio CD normally working DVD players and all that kind of stuff. The shapeshifters, nah, there's too much damaged. So I'll try another compact disc. Let's see if I have some CDs left. Where some goddamn CDs are. I have too much trash. There's an audio CD. Let's try to put an audio CD on. First I hope I got something less damaged. Now, the moment of truth, YouTubers. Let's see if it works. The moment of truth. I hear it boot on. I'm hearing it turning. I can't see much life. Nah. Nope. Oh, wait a minute. I'll try another CD. Try it. First, take my big 15-inch speakers. Give me a second. I'll try to. I will update you if it's working. See you later.